Hey there, welcome back. Today we're tackling a common question among Amazon FBA sellers: how to change the ship from address when creating a shipment to send products to FBA. First things first, log in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Next, navigate to the menu and select Manage Inventory from the Inventory section. Choose the product you wish to send and click on Send Replenish Inventory from the drop-down menu under the Action tab to initiate the creation of a shipment plan. You will be redirected to the shipment creation page, where you will find an option labeled Ship from Another Address. To add a new shipment address, simply click on Ship from Another Address. Click on the new contact. You'll then be prompted to enter the new ship from address. Now enter the required details. Fill in all the required fields such as province, city, etc. Once you've entered the updated address, click Save to confirm the changes. Then, select the updated address and proceed to create the shipment plan with the new updated ship from address. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the ship from address. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy selling.